Harvard Medical School would come down and buy all the dog bit for $5 each.
Oh, really? When was this?
I'm talking about the 1960s when I was.
Oh, I gotcha.
But that's how it was. It was just so many dumb people. They could actually have a license to have a dog. You know what I'm saying? To prove you're serious.
Oh yeah, well then they don't well they do everything wrong and then they blame the dog. We do see people that choose the dog that have the same problem and the common denominator's them, but they don't figure it out. They blame the dog. Believe me, we see it all the time.
This county's bad too. Last year there was 15,000 this county.
Oh, I believe it. You know, that pound up there is all full of pit bulls.
Yes.
You know, people get the pit bulls and then they just dump them up there. They've even got a thing now to spay and neuter them for free. Just desperately trying to, you know, prevent the pit bull population. Anyway, this guy used to work at the ASPCA in Boston in the 60s. It was rough. I bet they don't let the medical schools take them like that anymore. They have too much public outcry.
I don't know. All I know is Harvard Medical School would send a truck down and load them all in and off they went.
And never see him again.
They went to the medical school.
Oy, oy, oy. We'll have to ask Jason about that one. All right, so we're just going to work Rosie around a little bit. So, see you later. Down, it hurts me, don't look around. You see them before this little crowd over here. Start my pagers. Like before. Let me get a little convoluted. You might have to follow me down that way a little ways. Rosie!
Down there, even down, well, they cleaned up down there. That cigarette here.
Well, it's a good thing you told us.
Don't take that one. You definitely don't want to drink on grass. What you're not looking for, and I used to do a lot of that before, girl, but what we're not looking for is to make the dog stay and go anywhere away from it in this kind of environment. There's no practical application for that, so anytime you've got them out like this, you really want them right beside you. Rosie?
CPR for Publix?
See, she was dancing around a little bit right there. Good. Down. And that down. Good. Rosie. Hello. Down. Wonderful. Oh, she is doing fabulous. Not sure what you want. We're looking for that body language with the head angled just like that. Oh, she's a good little dog. More updates soon.